Dede Ayew, catalyst in time. He has a goal that took us off to a next stage.
So meaning Dede Ayew must go.
He has to go to the World Cup. If they gamble with it, they'll come and meet us.
Wow. A spiritual idea be and I say he
has one goal. No, he has one goal to close a match. If we don't have that one goal, we are coming home in the group stage, the last game. He has one goal to close.
Dede Ayew has one
goal in the World Cup. Yes.
Group stages.
Yes.
So go number.
That only one match. He has one goal. Tap in goal, one goal. Bring 100 Dede Ayew to the World Cup. He doesn't have to play all the matches. There is a time that they don't even know how it will happen.
Yes.
They will put him in the match, and at that time he will score that goal. It will save everybody. He will become the headline Ayew all over the place. Dede Ayew. Andrew Dede Ayew.
Yes.
One goal. They shouldn't go and put him at the bench and put no. There is a time he will come in. It's like it was a thing. Yes. If I'm not mistaken, because
video here me baba ye my title no say the caveat prophet ni nyina no ni say on say obi kan say ma na ode mpoma bebre abetoto ho ode windows bebre abetoto ho say the be ya amemu a e bia obeka say ye say okan we kan we ntina ya nye ntina de krono antimi amem na sa video here me baba about abrantie a your friend Prophet Telvin Sowah abrantie mi share nimu no eno ntino mi ntimi ka say ofinyame ana say onfinyame ntino me de I will say me fan say ofinyame na de ema me gidie e wonimu fan say eba from ne say some time ago obeka say hon konkron enye nyame dem mom me fan say angels na yes also from the Holy Spirit I don't know mama who say abrantie say me fan say oye genuine cry he has a lot to learn he really has a lot to learn na the way na no sika no like among for tiasie among for bebre like they are very ignorant he was rather blaming people now omofi said the Holy Spirit God no he was rather blaming them he was rather saying say they are ignorant and they don't know onomo no free say all cast the Holy Spirit me fa say angels no onomo free say onomo right well me fa eno to ho na that video ya me ba me ye ne me fa say interviewer okoye ewo radio so ode na Romeo and in the course of conversation no and obe ya to say Black Stars yemfa Dede Ayew enko they say yamfada nkwa like we will not be able to do well. I'm really surprised abrantie anase odifo yibetima kasa asem wo say nyame da ya kire no say yemfa Dede Ayew enko na before Dede Ayew ebra na oye abrantie pokurampo no ede emfa so papa bi na oman Ghana nya ye ewo de so ebra obeye captain he was doing well before he became captain yaje captaincy free Asamoah Gyan ho edema Dede Ayew ede na Black Stars no entimi koye Black Stars no entimi anko hwe ye call me for the Africa Cup cry you entimi en qualify free the group nim yes also call AFCON ewo Ivory Coast so sa and also obey na and also ordenansa ababa bebo ewo na penalty mu what is really about Dede Ayew pa sa prophet we say nyame da ya kire say yemfa Dede Ayew ko the same prophet ababa be ka say obi ti say Callum Hudson Odoi eni edinkatia no na omu me fan say omu ya Ghana for ne ye omu abrochire no o say ema yemfa omu ko na ye de omu kwa because of that we will not be able to do well in the Black Stars. Yentia me say my title video way the caveat prophet they say or decide ma we gina abetutumu because odim say ayedan ye bebu ba koso said the mayor ni okan no say amemu a obesa ba begina obeka say oh say be can we edit manfa anya adwuma. Why is it like that? Like I said, I can't tell say or you genuine and I say or you genuine. But me there I am go pa say so you D4 and as a prophet pa what me be ka say you for the Dede Ayew ko the mom you bypass obiti say Callum Hudson Odoi or no to me gina baby it be shoot ball ever ball no ekoshe goal post mo no ye ja no mo ho enko fa Dede Ayew and fa nko. What is all this? It's a good. I don't want to waste time. Let us go and listen to what he said, and then I will continue after that. Now, before we continue, no, let's say the first time I open my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video, after drop a comment. Now, me share me be free. Now, more importantly, no, hit the notification bell, no, so that anytime bia me upload new video on sabeti maka alert no
ebi ka say spiritually yemfa Jordan ne bra penyina efe no Dede Ayew
yes
endi ya chinko World Cup ni bi ye kokra na on shutdown start on papa kra na de on tena bench na bi aka 10 minutes bi na obe fam ebi se da bi emoyen ebi se o afcon kra ye koy na ye de ne koy kra no.
I was about to say this. I want to make it a point. As for Dede Ayew is not my friend actually. I don't even know him, but I want to be clear with everybody.
Okay.
On this, in this Ghana, in this country.
Okay.
Everybody pay close attention to this. Hear me. In the pattern of time where I saw we were ascending, I was about to say it, and I don't know why it keeps escaping me for this all this time. Dede Ayew was in the pattern of time. Dede Ayew was in the match. It was in a pattern of time where we were escaping like through the stages and we were colonizing people until we got to the quarterfinals. He was part of it. We escaped the group stages. He was part of that time. It was a blend of oldies and then newbies blending together. But then what destroyed the branch of time? There was a branch of time where I saw when they were bringing in those people from all those places, and that's what destroyed everything. And then we're about to work on the seminal situation. So once that is done, he will begin to run his goals.
So meaning Dede Ayew must go.
He has to go to
the World Cup.
If they gamble with it, they'll come and meet us.
Wow. Spiritual idea bi anase ni susum
he has one goal. No, he has one goal to close a match. If we don't have that one goal, we are coming home in the group stage, the last game. He has one goal to close.
Dede Ayew has one
goal in the World Cup. Yes.
Group stages in him.
Yes.
So goal number
that only one match. He has one goal. Tapping goal, one goal.
Sago no ya mesia.
Born left leg into the pool. He has one goal. It's a catalyst in time. Now, a lot of people like, hey, Dede Ayew there? Wow, crowd. They are playing. They don't understand. Then I was about to say it, and I keep forgetting. I was on last at a branch last month. I was about to say I missed it. Now last week too the same, because I mean sometimes the time we are going too fast and I begin to forget some things.
So it's good that I brought it up.
Yeah, God bless you for bringing it up. Dede Ayew, catalyst in time. He has a goal that took us off to a next stage. As for me, I always say one thing. My prophecies, if you don't believe it, is like the sun. It will always rise in the morning for you to watch it. And when it rises, don't say we didn't tell you. Wow. I say it out in public. I don't hide it. So when it rises, you and your eyes are watching. Then people will call you and be like, my brother, all can want.
Yes.
And then now yes. Pressure about console. So I mean,
before
we are not forcing them. We are just telling them.
Before we set off from Ghana to America, Mexico, Canada for the World Cup,
right,
do we need to sit down with you or whoever and do one or two akwanchire before we go for the World Cup? And I say, Bibia, okay,
there are some few things that we are about to do. So we are about to do it. Yeah, before the World Cup happens. Yes.
Until I say,
yes.
Okay.
It's just a little touch to something.
Okay.
Yeah. But they should make sure Dede Ayew, Andrew Dede Ayew.
Yes.
One go. They should go and put him at the bench and put at no. There is a time he will come in. It's like it was a thing. Yes. If I'm not mistaken, because I'm looking at some number, I'm trying to pick the exact number. Sometimes when I'm watching as I'm talking to you, I'm actually watching plays of football in the World Cup. And I'm looking at the 79th minute. It's one goal that solved that problem within that time. I'm making sure it's not the second I'm reading, it's the minute. Yeah, I'm watching there. Yeah, that's what I want to be clear with.
Now, I want us to listen to the okay about Callum Hudson Odoi ne Edin Katiano say yenja omu momo ho yenja omu momo ho na yenkofa Dede Ayew no momu emfani ko if so be pa na what Dede Ayew na right now cry as we speak. Dede Ayew has been home, like only even club cry. I don't know say be in future or major club there, but some rent we no more bono just by virtue say omu me for the qualifiers limit no. Prophet say yenja omo ho emfanko na de tia me se video no ma caption no the caveat prophet they say or decide ma we mu nyina abekeka keka ho se de be ya se amemua like if there was some fidie bebre wakawe no obabi obeka se fufro se de be ya we will break one like bakubi de ebia coach Otuado and answer the Black Stars administration omebu bakoso so he will come back and say, you see, I told you don't do this and you've done it. That is why the team didn't do well. What kind of prophecy is this?
Now people are also talking about the inclusion of Hobson Odoi and that of Edin Ketia.
Yes,
some believe we should include them. Others are saying, said no. Omwambre wasana yebo qualifiers in Intino. They should wait. Where do you stand here too?
Let's be very frank with them. In the branch of time where we're succeeding, we didn't have any of those people there.
Okay.
None of them.
Okay.
None of them.
Okay.
But this time, Inaki Williams was a bit better. Yes, he was a bit better. Semenyo was like the golden boy in the team. Yes.
Kudus,
perfect. Now we change the catalyst of time, so we are good. Eshaaku Fatao, that boy is our World Cup. If they play monkey business, you see they play monkey business with him. You remember I said Ghana 5 goals, 3 goals. We got a 5-0. When we got to the 3 goals, they removed my catalyst from it. I was saying I explained it to you. They removed them from it. I said they should leave my catalyst where it is to fulfill the branch of time. Eshaaku Fatao. Kudos. Kamaldeen Sulemana. Bring Dede Ayew to the World Cup. He doesn't have to play all the matches. There is a time that they don't even know how it will happen.
Yes.
They will put him in the match, and at that time he will score that goal. It will save everybody. He will become the headline. Ayew all over the place.
Wow.
Now, remember that. Remember that is so important. It will save us. Just one goal. All of those people, and I think who else? I think that's it basically. That's the attacking stream.
We can't wait.
Semenyo is also there.
We can't wait.
Yes,
we can't wait.
And then he also said that Black Stars, we will be able to beat Britain. We will, in fact, where the Oyusu say we will colonize them. I don't think fine. If we will beat Britain, that is fine. I don't think it is impossible, but like player wise, player to player, no me share omu players omu any players are yes so yewo na o say nyamisi yebet ma show ma many problem nyame there obetima ye ade nyina. So on that part probably I can say yes. I don't know, let us go and listen to that part so and then I will wrap up.
So in the area of football, say what the can be or what's already them home.
Yeah, colonization.
I've seen it. A man for say yeah toughest matches. The match between Ghana and Panama,
yes,
and Ghana and Croatia,
yes.
But England and the end of the day, you ever find
easy. Colonize them. You colonize them. Yes.
So, are we going to be able to come out of the group and progress to the next stage?
We are advancing. We are colonizing all of them. The issue is that let me explain to you something. In the England match I was watching, it was not because England for no more bon, boy and papa. But we were playing better than their each individualized player. We were playing way better than them. Yes, way better.
And no be a mama ye na man abasa because our player to player they are far advanced than our players.
Exactly.
But how come?
Oh, we were playing better than them. We said the spirit was moving. The boy here bonne and our number 4 defender be ebe kwak or Bobby be aja, and that's how we got the opportunities from. They we started moving forward.
Into England, you bet your much.
Oh, you bet your more.
Now you qualify for group room.
Absolutely. Wow. Yes.
Have you been able to know the country because who put you in suspense? As to country or Beji World Cup, no, mama and JC Callis na there. Now, our group inaba na winning inaba out, no. Can you pinpoint the nation, another country or Beji
World Cup? No.
Yes,
it's too early.
It's too early.
It's too early. I don't want to say it ahead of time. Once I talk, I don't know. If prophecy had copyright, I'm the most plagiarized prophet in the world.
I see.
And I will bring it in a very specific timing.
All right.
Yes.
Say, new year, yebenya
I say 2024 which the last World Cup, I told them who will win. I told them the team between, but one will lag behind and then the other one. So I told them it was Argentina and then Portugal is supposed to go, but then Portugal will lag behind and Argentina will take off. And it happened exactly the same way. And we brought up a lot of things. Yes, because but I mean, when something bothers me about the country, that's when you see I'm prophesying about it. Yes,
I don't know. This is what he said. Okay, this is what he said. Now I haven't added, I haven't subtracted. A video no nyina na media bremono. What do you think? Do you really believe say prophet way KBS bebrebe or the abegu kwamu? Do you think say enye windows and or they before say or the atoto the prophecy no? Because I had there me say the you yet to be faniko. Okay, say if says a coach didn't even know or the Dede Ayew kwa, it is going to cause a lot of trouble. It is going to cause a lot of grievances. Among for bebre omakuma ebe free blasters team no. Okay, because abrantie bi say hosin odoy right now on the form no pekeba ye just abrantie we ho na yankofa obi a owo over 30 years no yankofa no right now crampo no oni club yankofa onu mom emfa nko. What is wrong with this? What is wrong with this guy? Like I'm saying, well, I'm not God, so I can't say he is fake. I can never ever say that. I believe say even sometimes genuine prophets can still make mistake. Say the bear or say Holy Spirit, angel, no, that is a big mistake. That is a big mistake. The Bible is clear. Say the Holy Spirit is God, and so says Abraham says Holy Spirit, angel there. It means says or a genuine man of God cry. He can still make mistakes, and I am questioning him. I am critiquing his so-called prophecy based on this wisdom, based on this knowledge. Say, I don't see God telling him anything. Say, you go find the day you wait and find wake up. Now you before the column hosemo and those boys now you mo abrochino say you omumo ho. Now you go find the day you and find what is this? How can God say this? I don't know. This is my opinion. What do you think? Also for why you na yetimi share there together. So the first time I over my channel Yiswa. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video, after drop a comment so na yetimi share there together. I want to thank you in advance. Thank you very much. Bye.